it's Ellie, your bag lady. I am back. Earlier in the week, I did a live Facebook, a live video on my Facebook group talking about the five enrollment kits that are available in April. And I promised that I would show those kits and maybe talk a little bit more about the this opportunity. So I'm going to share my screen so you can see the kits. Okay, so there are five different kits. There is a deluxe kit, this two different color signature kits, and two different color summer essential kits. The deluxe kit has all these items in the kit. All these come in the kit for $179. The two signature kits for $99 is the bright and bold and the black and white. All of these items plus business supplies comes with these two kits. And then there are two $50 kits, summer essentials kits, that comes with these items for $50 each. So you have those five choices of kits at those particular price points. Now, the awesome part about joining in April and purchasing one of these kits and buying your business in April is when you sign up and you make $1,000 in personal volume your first 30 days, the company will give you the money back that you spent on the kit. So if you spent $50 on your kit, you will get that $50 back after you make that $1,000 in personal volume on your first 30 days. So, and it's the same for the other kits too. Now, I wanted to, I did like a bag lady video, bag lady math video at the beginning of the week in my group, as I was mentioning. So I wanted to kind of specifically break down the amounts. Now, this is the least possible amount that you can earn if you were to join and get your $1,000 and do this, okay? Because in addition to the getting your kit back, the rebate back on the kit that you purchased, there is also the April sales incentive. So if you make that $1,000 in personal volume in April, you will get this kit of free stuff. So to break down the numbers, if you purchase your kit at the $50 level and you make the $1,000 in personal volume in April, you will get your $50 back. You will make $250 in commission because we get 25% of our personal volume back. And since you hit that $1,000 mark, you get $250 in commission. And since you are signing up, you enter into the Start 12 program, so you will also get a $250 business credit because the business credit, once you hit $500, you get a 25% business credit. So, of course, 25% of the $1,000 is the $250 in business credit. And for this kit, this free kit, it doesn't specifically say or have like a value amount, but this is a large utility tote limited, and that's going to be $50. It'll be available in May. And then these little cool zip snackers are $12 each. The Bring a Bottle thermal is $12. And the cool cinch thermal is $28. So I added all that up, and that's $126 in product that you will get for free just for reaching the $1,000 in personal volume in April. So $50 for your kit, and like I said, this is the minimum amount that you could earn just by joining now and reaching that $1,000 mark. You will get your $50 kit money back, the $250 commission, the $250 in business credit, and the $126 in this kit, you know, in free product. And that would be a total of $676 that you could get just for working for joining my team in April and working your business, hitting that $1,000 mark, you would earn $676 in commission and free product and your kit back. So, I mean, I don't know how else I could say that it is a super fantastic deal. But that's the least amount. So obviously, if you purchased the $99 kit or the $179 deluxe kit, you get even more product for, you know, and it's the same level. You hit $1,000, you get that kit money back, and you get that much more product in your hands. And to take it a step further for the April incentive, you would be able to get these items if you hit $2,000 in personal volume on top of your commission and on top of your 25% business credit. And you would be able to get these items if you reach $4,000 in personal volume. 25% of $4,000 obviously is $1,000. So you would get $1,000 in commission, $1,000 in business credit, plus your kit money back. And all this stuff, could you like seriously believe that they would be giving that much away? I mean, I just don't understand. And when you're in your Start Swell, it's a 4-month period, and each period is independent of each other. As soon as you hit the $500 mark in personal volume, you automatically start getting the 25% business credit. So, and there's no limit to that. So if you make that $4,000 in personal volume, you will get $1,000 in business credit. That is just insane to me. But I just wanted to share that with you and let you know that it's just such an amazing opportunity. You might think it might be hard to get to those levels, but it really isn't. Myself and my awesome director, Amber Stevenson, will definitely work with you and help you reach your goals. If you have any questions at all, please contact me. I'll be glad to run more specific things to you and answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.